Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It is TechWares, and I want to do an unboxing of the Fifine AM8 dynamic microphone for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. Now, Fifine did send me this microphone. They actually sent it to me in November of last year. I just never had the time to really unbox it and even use it. So it is an XLR and also USB-C microphone, which is pretty rare to see these days. Alright, it is compatible with Windows, Mac, PS4, PS5, and this is the Amplagame edition. Alright, AM8. Over here it says it's clean and crisp sound quality. It has a tap to mute button, real-time monitoring jack. Here's some information of what the box includes. So, comes with, of course, the dynamic microphone, one USB cable, one mic stand, user manual, features, upgraded XLR connection, recording setup elevation, simply easy USB connection, hand function key, controllable RGB design, so it does have RGB, pristine and balanced sound. And that is the manufacturer. Now let's get it out the box. Here's the manual. Pretty standard, you know. You don't really need a manual to set it up. It's pretty straightforward. That's the mic. Pretty much just screws in right there. I'll pause the video and just do this with two hands. And there we go. I have everything set up. As you can see, it's a pretty good looking mic. This is the RGB. That's the mute touch button right there. Once it's red, that means the mic is muted. As you can see, I do have it connected to my PC, Dell Optiplex 5050. Honestly, the stand is really good quality. These are the knobs, so you can increase the mic gain directly. You can also have your headset connected to it, and you can increase and decrease your headset volume. On the bottom right here, that's where you plug in your headset, and that is the XLR connection, and here is the USB-C connection. Honestly, I just tested the audio quality, and oh yeah, this is how you change the RGB. Sorry, you can kind of not really see the full color on the camera since I do have the flash on, but it's just this touch button right here. And yes, I did test the quality. Honestly, this microphone is under $100 on Amazon. It is probably the best microphone you can buy as far as budget-friendly microphone on Amazon. It looks really great. It sounds great. The frequency response is 50 to 16,000 hertz. Alright, comes with a nice 2.2 meter stand, metal stand. USB USB-C to USB Type A cable comes with it. You have an option for an XLR2. It has a sensitivity of minus 50 dB. Those are just some features. Honestly, the sound quality is really impressive for the price. It's, like they say, delivers clear and crisp and professional level audio. So this pretty much is great for gamers, podcasters, and content creators. The dynamic range captures a rich, natural sound. So it's ideal for voice recording and streaming as well. I'm not a big fan of RGB, but it's a nice touch for those that, want it or they like it. It kind of adds some flair to the setup. And the touch, a sensitive mute button over here, it's really, really super convenient. Yes, this is the foam pop filter, and it does a good job of reducing unwanted noise. And you can, of course, take this off. That's how the mic looks when it's off. This looks pretty cool without it, right? It's just what I think. It's a pretty thick filter as well. So, negatives about it. The build quality feels a bit plasticky, all right? And the gain and volume knobs feel a bit loose. The microphone doesn't have a phantom power option, so that could kind of be a deal breaker for some users. However, majority of users wouldn't see that as a problem at all. Also, not really a negative, be honest with you, but some people might think it is. The RGB cycle mode doesn't offer infinite color choices, so it's just like a select few choices. In conclusion, I think it's a pretty solid microphone, a budget-friendly microphone. Like I said, great value for money. It's versatile, easy to use, delivers outstanding sound quality. So if you're looking for an affordable mic for gaming or podcasting, streaming, this could be a great option for you, all right? Just keep in mind the build quality and lack of phantom power. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this kind of unboxing sort of slash review. Let me know what you think in the comments. And shout outs to Fifine and Bruce for sending this over. I really, really appreciate it. I like to find budget-friendly products that are really, really great for the price. And this is it. Once again, Fifine AM8 Apple Game microphone. Take care, everyone. Peace.